Welcome here at Still. Are you looking for a compact alternative to the hand pallet truck with a sleek design? Then I would like to present to you our ECH 12C ECH 15C. The truck is an electric roll-lift pallet truck out of our classic line for horizontal transport with loads up to 1.2 or 1.5 tons. The truck is featured with compact design, so in short, ECH 12C, ECH 15C. The ECH 12C, ECH 15C can be used in a wide range of application areas. For example, in sales areas. The average load is here in between 200 and 800 kg. The truck can be used wherever working with a hand pallet truck is too tiring. Driving and lifting loads is done electrically. These functions can be operated ergonomically via the tiller. Switching from a manual low-lift pallet truck to an electric low-lift pallet truck reduces the workload for the operator and saves time when transporting goods. The entry model of our electric low-lift pallet truck offers compact dimensions and the needed load capacity. This facilitates the replacement. The ECH 12C ECH 15C is powered by maintenance and gas-free lithium-ion technology. The 24-volt battery provides 20 ampere-hours for a usage time of up to 2 hours. To charge the battery, simply remove it and insert it into the charger. The charger is connected to a 230-volt household socket. The LED light on the battery indicates the charging level. If it drops below 30%, the color changes from green to yellow. Below 15%, the LED turns red, indicating that the operator has to charge the truck soon. What makes the truck special are the compact dimensions like those of a manual hand pallet truck. Therefore, it can be used in even the narrowest working aisles. In particularly narrow working aisles, the truck scores with the creep speed function. This enables the operator to maneuver the truck safely when the tiller is in a vertical position. Depending on the application, the truck can be equipped with tandem casters. Those ensure particularly smooth travels. The alternative single caster are often used for picking up pallets crosswise in order to have easy positioning of the load. With our reliable and fast service performance, we ensure that your ECH 12C, ECH 15C is always ready for use. Thanks to our comprehensive sales and service network, we are always nearby. When it comes to the availability of your intralogistics, we do not compromise.